Okay, I'm gonna show what's new in the neighborhood. I have this one I call Gummy Bear. He's a fun one. You know, I don't have nobody to hold the phone while I carve. I would love to put some with me carving on here. There goes Tiny. Here's my new, I call that one Climbing Cub. And we have the owls. That's Mama Owl, and that's Baby Owl. I thought about building a nest around that. This is an old advertisement bear. If you have a store, you live close to Dayton, Tennessee, Chattanooga, Knoxville, Tennessee, you would like an ad bear, let me know. We can set up a bear that can hold an ad, either for your shop if you want to buy it, or for my shop if you want it to just sit there. This sign's not made for this bear, and it's too heavy for it, and it's pulling him over. I'll fix it later. And last but not least, we have the Cedar Indian Collection. We have the small head at $250. The other smaller, medium-sized head at $200. He's not got a finish on him. And the big guy, I'm asking $600 for him because I've spent a lot of time. I put jewels in the eyes. It's got the owl, the arrowhead, the eagle. And this one has the owl and the feathers. Well, thank you. This is Justin Berry, Justin Berry's Woodshop Chainsaw Carving. Thank you and have a good day.